The Albufera de Mallorca Natural Park is not only open to scientists, but to everyone. Tourists, families, naturalists, photographers, school children, and anyone who wants to enjoy nature. Every year, 120,000 people pass through the park. The number of visitors increased spectacularly upon the creation of the park and has now stabilized. Approximately 80% are derived from overseas, and in particular from Germany and the United Kingdom. To make the visit more interesting and worthwhile, facilities are provided in the form of a new reception centre, a permanent exhibition, a combination of tracts, viewpoints, hides and towers, and staff dedicated to information and education services, and publications in various languages. Preferential attention is paid to school children. Within the framework of park education, teachers conduct interpretive itineraries for some 4,000 students every year. For the general public activities such as guided visits, open days, bird watching, presentations, demonstrations of traditional uses, etc., these are organized. With all these activities, the aim is to enhance people's knowledge of the flora and fauna of the Albufera, its history and its traditions. Also, to give them a better understanding of management actions and the need to treat the environment with respect. Visitors must follow some minimum rules to avoid damaging the flora and fauna or disturbing other visitors, like, for example, respecting opening hours, only entering the park on foot or by bicycle, keeping quiet, and keeping to signposted routes, not disturbing plants or animals, etc. People who want to involve themselves more in conservation can participate by joining volunteer work parties and other activities. The park provides training and staff support to the various groups who carry out the work in accordance with management needs. The Albufera is not an island apart from the area in which it sits, an agricultural, rural and touristic zone in which the park must be a relevant and dynamic element. The tourist appeal of the Albufera has been one of the factors with biggest socio-economic repercussions, especially now that a re-evaluation of the area is leading to the arrival of higher quality tourism. The park receives most of its visitors in spring and autumn, which also contributes to an extension of the visitor season. A desired aim is to involve the neighbouring towns in the process of conserving the Albufera. Continuous links are maintained with the municipalities of Muro and Sa Pobla, leisure organisations, hunting societies, businesses and commercial associations, in order to prevent impacts, to seek points of consensus and to organise joint activities. The park carries out a regular program of public awareness and participation activities especially directed towards the neighbouring towns. The education program also has a special impact through the education establishments of the surrounding area, with its aims to improve the perception and appreciation of the Albufera among those who live nearest. The Albufera de Mallorca Natural Park is water, life and culture, a combination of values which must be preserved. But it's also much more than this. The wetlands are essential for the conservation of the biodiversity of the whole planet. And within our islands, the natural park plays a key role in the advance towards sustainability.